Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So we've got a piece of spalted beech on the lathe today, and we are going to make a little bitty helmet from it. So right now we're just turning it around using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just knocking them corners off. And now they've got the mid-size rougher, and we're just making a tenon so we can hold it in the chuck. Here's the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws. Alright, so we've got it flipped round into the chuck now. We're going back to the rougher just to take out any wobble that might be left over. And now we've got the number one hollow, and we're going to start by doing a little bit of shaping. This will be the eventual top of the little helmet. Obviously we don't want to go too thin because we've still got to hollow it out yet. There we go. Alright, and now we are going to hollow it. And the first tool we're going to use is the number one hollower. By far my favourite tool from the Easy Wood Tools range. And as you can see from this clip here as to why. Switch to the rougher now so we can get them sides nice and flat.
Feels like we're fading out. I'm losing you. Can't we try again?
And we switch back to the number one hollower to round off that top.
I'm losing you. Oh, can't we try again?
There you go. Here you go, just checking the old walls with the old finger calipers. He's going to clear them sawdust. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so this is just 240 grit. There we go. Gonna clean the grain with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. And I'll wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There you go, last few wipes. There we go. Alright, now we're just going to use a pencil to mark a line real quick. And here is our template for the eye holes and the nose and mouth. We're just going to draw around that. There you go. Alright, we're going to part it off now. The first one was the standard detailer. And here is the micro detailer. There you go. Alright, now we're going to quickly finish off the top with a bit of sanding. Some sanding sealer. Quick blast of Yorkshire Grit. There we go, a few final wipes. Alright, now onto the Dremel to carve out them holes. Go, just doing the eyes. There we go. Now I'm going to take it out of the chuck and do the rest whilst holding. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.